Most creators like to schedule their live streams in advance. This is great for your community and your subscribers to know when you are next going to go live. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For years now, streamer tips channels have been telling creators to schedule their live streams on Twitch so people know when you're going to go live. Now, if you may not know, you can also do this on YouTube. You'd want to do this so your community knows when they can join you for your live stream and have some fun and direct interaction with you, the creator. But how do you actually do it? Well, you're in luck, because in this video we're going to explain how to schedule a live stream on YouTube and also set it up for the best chances of discoverability. So let's get into it. So to start, what you need to do is go up to the create button up in your top right hand side of your screen and hit the go live. Once the live studio loads up, you want to come over to the left hand side this time, hit the manage button, and then the top right you'll see a scheduled stream. So if you've done a live stream before on your channel, you'll see scheduled with previous settings pop up. Now you can reuse old settings from a different video, or you can simply click create new. And in this example, we're going to create a new one. So now you'll be presented with a similar page to uploading a long form video. I personally like to treat my live streams as a long form video and maximize their reach and their discoverability because they do remain a VOD on your channel forevermore. On this page now, you can enter obviously your stream title. So let's go with random stream used for a recording. Ignore, please. Now I'm doing that just so my community know to ignore the stream that's about to be scheduled once we finish this video. In the description section, you have your preset description, if you have one. Obviously, we want this to be nice and catchy. So with your description, you want to make sure that the first 100 or 150 characters is full of keywords. That's so the algorithm can pick up your stream, where it's going, and who it's going to be sent to. Also, make sure that your description is clear and provides value and stream details of what's going to be going on. You can also have your calls to action. As you can see, it's part of my pre-loaded description. I can't remember what YouTube call it now, but that's what we'll call it, all ready to go. So you've got the how do you want to go live. We're going to be using OBS, so you want to use streaming software. You would use streaming software if you're using OBS, Streamlabs, Meld, anything like that. You want to use streaming software. Next up is category. Now, as I said, we're going to be doing a gaming one. So you open up your categories, click on gaming. Another box will pop up, which allows you to put the title in. So we're just going to use Ark as an example, as it is one of our popular games on the channel. You'll see it there. Click on it. Boom. Done. Jobs are good. And that's your game title set, so it knows which category to put your gaming stream in. Next up, you want your thumbnail. Now, this is where it's slightly different to a long form video. So now you've got the option to have A/B testing on your long form thumbnails, and I believe it's now available for your titles as well, or will soon be available for your titles as well. But with live streams, you don't have that option. So you got to make sure that your thumbnail is catchy, it grabs the attention, and it's high quality. Normally they ask for a 128 by 720, so 720p quality thumbnail. So you want to get that sorted, ready, click on it, open, done, uploaded thumbnail, nice and neat and tidy. Also remember that it has to be under 2 megabytes. Just remember that, otherwise it will say no, not today. So next is the playlists. Now I have a past streams playlist that I put all my streams into. Then I can then go back to them, edit them, etc., and then move them around to different playlists. Now you want it in a playlist at least. It's good for discoverability in the algorithm side of things. So you stick it into a past streams one, for example, and then that way everyone can go back to that playlist and rewatch your VODs. Right, so the last one before we hit see more is audience. Now this is quite important that you let YouTube know if it is made for kids or not. It's so you actually comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, which I did just read off my script, just then you don't get in any trouble with YouTube going forward. Also under audience is the age restriction, which is advanced. So you can restrict your YouTube live stream to 18s and over, or you can have it still free to go to anybody. It's up to you what you do here. If you don't want children coming to your stream, it might be worthwhile. That is completely up to you. So after that though, we have a few more settings which will help discoverability. So if we go show more, you get your paid promotion. Now, across most countries now, you have to let people know if you are being either paid or being gifted or anything like that from any products you're doing. So as a gaming creator, a lot of the games that I play, I have been gifted. being part of the Ubisoft Creator Program, for example, means we get quite a bit stuff given to us for us to then be able to put out for content. So just make sure you keep on top of that. If it's a game you've been gifted, or you're a creator for a creator program, you haven't had to pay for it, you still have to say it's a paid promotion, although you're not technically getting paid, but you've been given something for free. Altered content arrived sometime last year, I believe. It's to say that you're not an AI or a robot. So you'd want to click, most time, no, I hope. Unless you are an AI or a robot, then you click yes. This is just so YouTube can differentiate between AI and human content. It's not a necessity, but it's there. It's nice to click no. So with the tags, there's been a lot of debate over the years whether tags are still relevant on YouTube. Now, the way I look at it, if the box is there, use it, right? Just type in any tags that you want. So this is a test. Let's just put test. Put a comma after it. It'll automatically then fill that tag out. And you can have a YouTube video with spaces. Again, that fills that tag out for you nice and easily. Now, you can do that yourself. You can input up to 500 characters. You can sit there and do that yourself. You can use tools online to help you out. Something like Rapid Tags or vidIQ. Something along those lines will help you work out what tags to put in. Now, these final bits at the bottom, I normally leave default. I don't tend to change them. Obviously, if your stream language will be based on your channel's language, just alter them if needs be. If you don't want comments, you can change that here. You can sort by top or newest, and if you want stricter moderation, you can change those settings there. Generally, as they are, tends to work for me. So once you're done, you click your next button and you got your customization options. Now with the customization options, it allows you to change your live chat. If you want live chat, you've got your live chat replay as well, so it plays back if someone's watching the VOD. That's probably kind of good to tick on for people to have some clarity of what's going on. Context is actually the word I was looking for, but clarity works as well. But either way, so that's why you would turn on live chat replay. I tend to leave this as is. The only thing I do is turn on live chat replay. Everything else, we pretty much leave default. We don't want slow mode on, and anyone can send, well, at the minute, anyone can send messages. If you want it only on your subscribers or members, you can do that as well. At the bottom, we have a redirect. Now, redirect is basically YouTube's version of a raid. If you wanted to, you can click add. Now, you can redirect them to one of your content, or you can come across here. It will show you who you're subscribed to and who are currently live. You can select their video, and then when you finish your video, your live stream, it will take you to theirs. Now, you can also see up and coming streams. So if you know that you're going to go live at 7 o'clock tonight and finish at 10, but you know that Royal with Cheese, for example, they're going to go live during your live stream, you can preset that now, so you don't have to worry about it later. You've also got trailer. So if you have a trailer uploaded for your video, you can select that from here, and then that will play the trailer to your live stream for anyone that comes across your channel. So once you've done that, again, you hit next, go to the visibility screen. On your visibility screen, this is where you set the schedule, basically. You can make it private, unlisted, members only, or public, just like a long form video. But at the bottom here, you've got schedule. Now with schedule, let's just say we want to go live on Thursday, and we want to go live at 8 PM, which is my normal stream time, anyone. We don't normally stream on a Thursday. You can set it here, and then simply click done. It will load into your studio, ready for you to go live. Now, there's a few things you'd want to change in here just to increase the interactivity. So at the bottom here, you've got the stream latency. Now, with the stream latency on normal latency, it can be quite slow between you saying things and chat seeing it. Unless you're using closed captions or anything above 1080p video, I would use ultra low latency. So this is a bit of a personal one for me. I would recommend turning off enable auto start and enable auto stop. Now, the reason I say that is for a couple of things. One, the auto start is great. So you hit go in OBS, it will go live. But if you're having technical issues, at least you know before your stream goes live that you're having technical issues, and you don't have to then end the stream and so on and so forth. The same essentially goes with auto stop, sorry. The reason I say that is because if you do have technical problems and you have to end the stream, that ends the stream. That ends the stream here in the YouTube studio. Essentially, meaning you got to go through that whole process again to reschedule that stream and get going live. It does mean it's an extra step when you go live. So as soon as you hit go live in OBS, you have to go to your studio here to hit go live. But it just gives you that extra little bit of security, knowing that you're not having to worry if anything does go wrong at that time. Also, the main thing, especially if you're multi-streaming and you're not logged into OBS with your YouTube, your stream key is here. Now, you can actually create new stream keys and have multiple stream keys, but your main stream key is here. Default stream key is all you'll need if you're only going live on a horizontal format. So just copy that out of here and your stream URL as well. Put that into your OBS and away you go, you're good to go. It's one thing to add here is auto start and auto stop are only available for scheduled streams. So if you're just going to go straight live without scheduling a stream, you may not see that option. It's just bear that in mind. But once you've done all that, you're all good to go. So there we go. That was quite an in-depth tutorial on how to schedule a live stream. Hopefully it does help you out and you can benefit from it. And if this has helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for future content. Before you go, please go and check out my other video. That'll be on screen right now. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.